folks, we're around here on a little creek. We're going to try to fish right here today. I don't know how well it's going to go right here. There's a tight little spot right now up under this bridge. Yeah, some homeless folks living up under here, but it don't look like they're in there right now. And I'm assuming they'll be back. Shame. Folks living right under the bridge like that. I got a little pole with me here. We're going to throw out a little worm. See if there might be something out here. This little creek runs in behind a shopping center. We're going to put on a little piece of worm here under this little float. I'm pretty sure there'll be some little fish out there. We'll see what we can't catch. This is downstream from a lake called Greenbelt Lake in Maryville. This little section's technically Alcoa here, behind the Midland Shopping Center. They do stock some trout in here upstream. I don't think they stock them down here though. So we're going to throw out right here and just see what might be out there. Pretty good little current moving there. I saw a little fish out there a second ago. Alright folks, we got a little one on here. Let's see what we got right here. We got a little old sunfish of some kind. I don't know if that's a little, exactly what that is. It kind of sucked it down right there. He's bleeding a bit. I hate that I did that to him. He's a pretty little sunfish. Dang it. Alright, let's turn him loose. He swallowed it down. I hate that. Maybe he'll be alright. Darn it, that was not very good. That's a wonder right there. Looks like it took my worm. There you go. Oh, had him on right there. Boy, he came off though. Just kind of stacked up around in there. Okay, got one. Got him on right there. Let's see what we got here. That is a little shiner, I believe. Yeah, I think we got a little shiner right there. Pretty little old shiner. There we go. That's one little sunfish and one little shiner. Going back out there. Work okay. There it goes. Oh man, boy, suck that thing under. It don't take much to suck this little float under, boy. There could be a few trout out there, maybe. They do stock the lake upstream with trout during the winter, so there's a chance a few trout could make it back down through here. This is a good little spot. Whatever keeps hitting my float right there is really sucking it under. They're hitting it, but they're not hooking up though. Several good bites right there. There we got one. A little bit better fish that time. Let's see what we got. Another shiner. That's a little bit bigger one right there. A little bit bigger. Not a huge little shiner, but something to catch though. That's 3 fish. That's probably all we got right out in here is a bunch of shiners. We'll move on downstream a little bit here and find another little hole. We got about another hour's worth of light maybe. Alright folks, check this out. I think this is the remains of an old vehicle here. Looks like the remains of an old truck, maybe. It's hard to tell right there. Like the hood of an old truck. Maybe not though. I don't know what that is. See if we can't catch a fish here though. This is a neat little urban stream. It runs behind a shopping center that's been here forever. Shopping center I used to go into as a kid. 40 or 50 years ago. I don't think there's too much fishing pressure back here, but there is a pretty good sized lake upstream. So there's going to be a few fish in here. Go on downstream here folks. I don't know. I don't want my boots to get filled up with water if I can help it. Yeah, I don't know about this. I'm not get across through here. Well, it's kind of strong through here. Strong little current right there, folks. Looks like a pretty good little spot right here, maybe. A little sandbar. We should be able to pull one out of here. There we go. Oh, had him hooked up right there. Probably another little shiner, I guess. Must be some pretty little ones there, boy. They're tugging on it. They're just not hooking up. Got one on right there, a little bit bigger maybe. Another shiner. That may be all that's in here, these daggone shiners. A few little sunfish here and there. I figured there might be a bass or two down in here. Alright, let's see if we can turn this little shiner loose right here. I'll let that current go. Alright folks, we appreciate y'all watching today. If we get a video out, it won't be much of one, but it will be something to stimulate that algorithm, no doubt. The old YouTube algorithm, it likes to be fed. You gotta feed it. Sometimes even if you feed it a halfway decent video is better than no video. It likes to be fed on a regular basis. And you can check your statistics out for that.